In this class, we will just talk about format specifiers. So, what type of format and data types we have? I just open this file, and here you can see uh, the format specifier and range of data type is here. You can see that if we talk about character or numerical values, here all form is given. If we assign signed value as a character, it is start from -128 to 127 range. This kind of value and this range of value we can store into the variable of byte. Okay, if we create a floating point value, it is stored 4 byte, and signed value it is stored 1 byte, unsigned value stored 1 byte, start signed integer. Mostly we just get this value because this value has more and enough range of values will be stored. We just call it integer, unsigned integer 2 byte, 2 byte, long signed integer 4 byte, long unsigned integer 4 byte. Why we use long signed? Because sometimes we need more value to store into the integer. That is why we call it long signed integer. Okay, it takes 4 byte. Okay, here you can see double. It takes more value than all over 8 byte, and long double is 10. Okay, and double is our dotted value. Keep this thing in your mind. And floating is our dotted value as well, which is start from and end from here. Okay, so now I'm going to specify the format of all values. Okay, come to the source code file here, and I'm going to save as in class 4, give name format. Okay, and I open it and save as format.c. Right, now I'm going to store another variable here. So suppose I have already explained everything about integer, so at this time I just change data type character, and I want to store value into the a equal in comma as a d. Okay, it is capital D, and now I'm going to call it with c, means character. This is character value, and I want to display this and call this variable a, and I stored d into the a, that is why I display me a d. I'm going to execute it, 0 warning 0 error, and go through it. Display d right here. If I store value z, so it just display me z small or z capital, whatever you want to display, just display me. So suppose I want to display e small e, it just display me small e. If I want to display capital E, it just display me capital E here. Okay, so if I want to display a string value, so how do we call a string? For suppose we have a string,